how do you have to train LLMs? How does this work? And the way this works is that we are basically sending a lot of information this way, right? Pulling from Salesforce, sending it to LLM. LLM can respond based on three bases. First, what they know, which is all the conversational ability, language, things like that. If it was generic things, if you didn't lock them down, and you can then have a conversation and say, hey, how do I make pasta? And it will give you the answer, right? Based on what they know is one. And we lock it down so it may not do that. Second, based on what they have access to. So you can give them access to knowledge bases, to your PDF files, to either Salesforce knowledge articles or third-party information, which is semi-public that you anyways share with your customers or with partners. So you can give them access, and then LLMs can respond intelligently, which is what they're doing in the chatbot or in the case that we were. So that's the second part of this. The third part of this is based on account-specific information, right? So when we are asking LLM, what are my grades? What's my fees? When is my renewal due? What happened to this case number? Or what happened to my order? Whatever it is that they're asking, LLMs can be given access very securely to extremely specific information on the logged in user, and LLM can answer back to them. That information is session specific. And once that chat session ends, that information evaporates. So those are the three ways we are doing this. If you wanted to go from what is generative AI here to predictive, then you would have to do larger training, which is again, what is the chance that this account will do attrition? That's frankly for most businesses, that is probably an 8 to 12-month effort, because you need to have good data curated. You need a lot of manual intervention. And that is something you could do. We don't play in that space, just very candidly. We are doing things with generative AI. What we are doing here is a good way to think about it is literally this, right? We'll automate repetitive tasks, questions that we are repeatedly answering from a support and case perspective, summarizing information that is in chat transcript, case comments, email threads that have gone like 60 emails that we exchange with the customer. And you're like, just tell me what's the issue, right? And then analysis in terms of sentiment, intent, root cause, things like that, and pulling information from associated text files,